welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is Prunus chirote, the flat-topped, white flowering cherry. They're gorgeous. Branches grow straight out and you're looking up into these enormous white flowers. I'll put another video up after this one of a larger tree in flower that's a few years older, but you can see how large the flowers are. They're fantastic. They're mainly white, slightest hint of pink on the back of the petals, but a gorgeous tree. And this, in the autumn time, it's got butter yellow leaves in autumn. In the web shop, there are two sizes. You've got these larger ones like this one, and then a smaller one about the height of myself or thereabouts. This is the time of year to plant them, and of course they flower every year reliably in spring. Now the plant was just decent sized plant. You didn't need to hold twice the depth of the pot. You put super dry planting fertilizer at the bottom, compost and soil on top, and the same back in around. And don't expect miracles this year, but this cherry will be in your garden for years and years to come with lots of white flowers. It's a lovely tree to make a seat underneath, or maybe to frame an entrance left and right of an entrance. They look very well as well. Or even just standing as a solitary tree out on its own in the garden, a nice solitary specimen tree. That's the flat top cherry. Prunus chirote is planted from now. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.